All right, today I'm going to show you how to connect to Harvest and import your data into Google Sheets using the Coefficient add-on. Keep in mind, this also works with Microsoft Excel. If you not have the Coefficient add-on in Google Sheets, click on Extensions, Add-ons, and then Get Add-ons, and then search for Coefficient in the add-on store. Once you have it installed, we can go ahead and open that add-on by clicking on Extensions, Coefficient, and Launch. And then today we're going to connect to Harvest. So we're going to click on Import From, and then we're going to find Harvest under Sources. So if it's under Suggested Sources, you can click on it there. Otherwise, you can go to See All Sources, and we can find it in alphabetical order here. So we'll click on Connect, and then first we need to authorize a connection so we can get the data. So we'll click on Authorize. And then if you're not already logged in, it'll ask you to log in. Otherwise, you can go ahead and click on Authorize Application. And then once it's authorized, we're going to go ahead and click on Start from Scratch. And then once our import preview is open, we can see an array of different objects or reports that you can pull from clients to invoices to team time reports. So we're going to go ahead and look at invoices for the moment. And so on this example, we can use different states. So we could use draft invoices, open, paid, closed, or all. And we also have these other parameters such as returning invoices with an issue date after a certain date, up until a certain date, or if they've been updated since a certain date. So we're just going to go ahead and leave these all as they are for the moment. And we're going to click Preview. And then we can see we have a couple invoices here with different columns of data. So you can select all if you want to see all the columns of data available. You can also unselect some of these if you like, if you only want to see certain columns. Once you're satisfied with the columns that you have, you can go ahead and click on Import here on the top right. Once the data is finished importing, you have the option to set an auto refresh on an hourly, daily, or weekly basis. Otherwise, if you do not want to refresh automatically, you can click Not Right Now, and you can set it up later if you like to. So you can see the options here on the right-hand side that we have. You can always get back to that by clicking on Open Sidebar here from the top, and you can always refresh the data by clicking the Refresh button there at the top. All right, so I hope that helps you see how quick and easy it is to pull in your data into Google Sheets using the Coefficient add-on. This also works in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.